students, how are you? Now today we are starting exercise 6.2. Last time we have discussed all the results. What are corresponding angles, what are alternate angles, what are co-interior angles. So now we start the question, apply these results in these questions. So first question is given in the exercise. Here two lines AB and CD are given. CD intersected by transversal, and this angle is 50 degree given. This angle is 130 degree given. Find the value of x and y, and then show that AB parallel CD is asking. First find the value of x and y, then prove that AB parallel CD. So my dear students, first you see, if I am asking find the value of x and y, then very simple, I am writing here angle 1, angle 2, and this is angle 3, this is angle 4. Very simple by taking angle name. So you see here, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. That is linear pair axiom. You know very well, angles on the line, two angles, it means linear pair angles, and sum is 180 degree. So it's very simple. So angle 1 is given 50 degree, angle 2 is x. So x 50, shift that side, minus 50, so x is equal to 130. One answer is this. Now second is asking find the value of y. Now see, I think it is very much easy, it is clear. What clear? Because you see angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These are called vertically opposite angles. Hear this, because you know very vertically opposite angles are always equal. So angle 3 y, angle 4, 130 degree given. Therefore, y is equal to 130 degree. Hear this. So now my dear students, you see the figure. I have got now x is equal to y is equal to 130 degree. So therefore, x or y, you see, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Now you see, these are two lines, this is transversal, and these are called alternate interior angles. What you see? But these are alternate interior angles. So therefore, AB parallel CD. Therefore, AB parallel CD. This we have proved. Then in the last you will say hence 2. Understand? Because is asking first you find out the value of x and y, then prove that AB parallel CD. AB parallel CD is not given. We have to prove. Understand? Now one more question we are taking, very easy question I am taking, so that concept will clear to you. So you see 2 minutes, 2 seconds, you see question number 5 in the book. In exercise, you see very easy question. This one, what is statement you see in question number 5 is given if AB parallel CD, if this AB is parallel to CD, and this figure in triangle PQR, this angle is 50 degree, and this angle is y, and this angle is x, and this angle is 127 degree. Then what you have to prove? You see here, we have to prove find value of x and y. And what is given? What is students? What is given? Angles are given and main is AB parallel CD is given. In this question, AB parallel CD given. So we have to find out the value of x and y. And these two angles are given. Very simple. So my dear students, you see the proof. You know very well. If two lines are parallel, AB parallel CD given. So which transversal you will take? I will take this transversal. If you say, sir, this transversal you will take, no problem. If I am taking this transversal PQ, so I am saying PQ is a transversal. So therefore, along this transversal, these are two angles called alternate interior angles. So you can say, therefore, angle APQ is equal to angle PQR. They are called, or you can say, alternate interior angles. So here, but this angle APQ is 50 degree, and then 50 degree. So angle PQR. So therefore PQR is equal to 50 degree. One angle. Here this PQR 50 degree. So therefore x is equal to 50 degree. I got this. Now second, he is asking find the value of y. So my dear students, again you will follow this. I am doing here. You see AB parallel CD given and PR is a transversal. PR is a transversal. Therefore, what do you say? If I am taking this line as a transversal, so here this angle and this angle is known as alternate interior angles. They must be equal. So therefore, angle APR is equal to angle PRD. These are also called alternate interior angles. So angle APR, along this line you will take this angle is equal to this. Don't say this angle this. Along the parallel line you will take. So now this angle, break this is 50 plus y. So this is 50 plus y is equal to PRD 127. So y is equal to 127 degree. Shift that side minus 50. So y is equal to 77 degree. So this is the value of y. So he is asking if two lines are parallel, only one result I applied here. If two lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. If I am taking this line, then these are angles. If I am taking this line, then along this, these two angles are called alternate interior angles. So in this way, you can try yourself others question also in this exercise. There will be no problem. Thank you and good.